Hey guys, and welcome back to your first Roblox Studio scripting series. So today we are not gonna do actual stuff, but I'm just gonna show you the Roblox Studio and also how to make a new place. So let's get started. Right. So what you wanna do is just open your Roblox window, just like that, a bit blurred out, but whatever, and you just press develop. Well, there are two ways actually, and create new place. Right, come on, yeah, like that. And there are templates, a lot of them actually, and you can just take one of those ones, or just press the base plate and it should create a place for you. Right. And there is another way, and I just gonna do this because it's a bit simpler and doesn't need anything to harp. So yeah, you just make a new text document, don't worry about the title, and then you type dot rbxl. Well, and it should pop up window like this, and you just press yes, and we have our new place. Right. So if I press this, there should be a window which says I don't know, updating Roblox Studio or configuring Roblox. Just don't worry about it and wait for a couple minutes or couple seconds if it does anything. And yeah, alright, we have this message, error opening file, because it's just empty. And yeah, we press OK, and well, don't worry about the errors. And this is how you make local Roblox place. And the reason why I didn't want to make a place from the website is because I just don't wanna have random places. That's a bit annoying. So yeah, we press OK, and it's basically the same template. And we're gonna press the base plate, and it should load our new place. Right. Any second. And here we go. We have a new place. Yeah, it's basically pretty empty. Don't worry if you don't have this. You just need to press this button if you really want. So yeah, we have properties, output. No, it's command, output, script analysis. Well, you might not have it, script analysis. You just press view and press this button, script analysis, and basically the same for everything. Yeah, properties, explorer. There is the explorer. You need it for seeing things like workspace, and by the way, these are services if you really wanna know. I'm gonna tell you some technical stuff about the Roblox. So first of all, whole Roblox thing is made out of language called Lua and C++. Well, I believe C++ is basically all those windows and stuff, but you don't really need to know that. Right, so if you wanna insert a script, you just press the right click and insert object, and there are a lot of objects, and actually there are even more objects, but we need script, and also it's alphabetical order, so it's simpler to see. Right, so we have our script, just basic script, nothing too interesting. Right, well, in this series I just gonna show you every single stuff that you can do with script, and there are a lot, as you can see, values and forces and buttons and UI stuff. Right, there are a couple of values in Roblox that are just kinda random, and one of them is the Lua version of the game, and it's not the latest one, it's 5.1, and if you really wanna know latest one is 5.3 point something. And yeah, Lua actually is pretty flexible language because you like can test equals like 1 or true. Also, there are types of values. The true like or false is a bool value, and one is a number value, like I don't know, this number also is a number value. And in other languages you just have to type int or bool, but not bool, right? But you don't need to do this. So yeah, another thing is a toolbox. You can actually take stuff that was made from others and just place into your place. But I believe it's just a lot better to use your stuff, because you have no idea what are those things, right? So like this car, just look how many stuff it has. And yeah, there are seats and stuff, but it's too complicated, you know. But you can make simpler stuff like building, and you can actually build in script, but that's not very interesting and really hard, you know. Also, there is terrain, which is not very popular. You can do stuff like that. You can add stuff, add walls, and yeah. Also, if you press Ctrl Z, if you didn't know already, you can just do stuff, like undo stuff, I mean. Yeah, you can smooth the surface, like if I added some stuff, I can smooth it out if I really want to. Yeah, you can grow stuff like that. You can erode stuff. It's like opposite to grow. You can generate. Well, not gonna press that because it's a bit laggy. You can paint that like raw color. Yeah, that's a pretty cool thing, you know. Also, you can do undo bunch of times. So that's pretty neat. So there is a collision bar. If you like insert a bar, this is how you do this. You can insert any other thing which is related to parts, kinda. And if you press Ctrl D, you can duplicate part. And if collisions are not enabled, like if you didn't press that, then it just creates a part inside a part, as you can see. Right, but if it is enabled, then it just creates on top. Right, so it's pretty cool for building, you know. Right, collisions are enabled, as you can see. I just cannot put stuff into stuff because it won't make any sense. And in next tutorial you're gonna learn the types of values, as I mentioned. But I can show you a bit. You can enter anything and that's equal to, and this is how you make a value actually, right? You can enter there anything like 1 or 2, whatever, true, as it showed you before. And yeah, that's pretty much it about the studio. Well, I mentioned there are some built-in values, and actually print don't worry about this, just that's my testing stuff, which basically doesn't really do anything nice or good. And quotation marks actually needed because you need to print stuff. And yeah, like if you print lol, it just says in the output, and that's how you use output. And this is what happens when I don't use quotation marks. If I enter lol, just prints nil, and nil is actually a unique type of value which is only in Lua, and it basically means nothing. Like it, not like it doesn't mean anything, but it means literally nothing. Right, so that's basically it, and hope you guys enjoyed this short video kind of, and see ya guys next time.